So this is the pig rice that I hoovered earlier. I forgot to show you the bag. I know some of you like the bags. What's that? Nice and heavy. The pigs will be delighted. This bag is well glued together. It's ripping. Let's see if I can just get it out by a corner. Yes. Oh, do you want to look inside the bag? There's a bit of dust as well, but the pigs won't mind that. A bit of hay as well from the hen, and it definitely needs a lot more water. Oh, and there's a bit of dust as well. Where did that come from? You can put that back in there for next time. That's it. Pig rice coming next. Thank you.